beautiful people, it's your girl Sonia. I'm here to show you super exciting product X-Pression just recently brought. It's called Pearl Locs. Pearl Locs is packed 4 bundles in the pack. The grammage is 120, the length is 20 inches. Pearl Locs is a dread-like product that has coil. So today I'll show you how to install Pearl Locs. So keep watching while I show you how to install Pearl Locs. So guys, this is X-Pression Pearl Locs. Like I said, it is packed 4 bundles in a pack. It's a dreadlock product, a soft dreadlock product, thin strands with coil at the tip. So that's the coil at the tip. It is so defined. So that's the strand. It has coil at both sides. So I sectioned the back part of the hair into 3. Added jam to it to make it last longer and to give it a sheen. So like I said, I'm gonna do box braid all over. This is it. Time to install the Pearl Locs. So what I usually do is, when it comes to dread, I separate the hair. Then get another full strand of Pearl Locs, then install it to the hair. Trust me, this is the best technique to install any dread-like product. So it's just, I'm wrapping the strands around the Pearl Locs. Then I'm going to get those strands I actually separated, crochet it under our braided hair. Then I'm going to wrap it around to secure her natural hair, so the hair can come out neat and nice. So I'm going to do this all the way to where our natural hair stopped. So please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give the video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. So that's it. Came out neat and nice. So I'm going to do this all the way to the top of the hair. Like I said, you get a strand of Pearl Locs, you separate it, you get another strand, install another strand of Pearl Locs, then the separated one you install again underneath the braid, then you wrap around the full strand of pearl locks to cover her natural hair, so it will come out nice and neat. So we are done, and this is the length of pearl locks. So in case you want to add more strand, you want it super long, you can always improvise by cutting out the coil part of the hair, then add the two strands together, then sew with your needle and thread. Make sure the thread is invisible. You sew in between the pearl locks to hide the thread. So I'm going to do this on all of the hair. So that's it. It came out so nice, lengthy and neat. And we still have our coil at the tip. So I added gel to the front part of the hair to make it look neat. And add sheen to her natural hair to make it still shine, to make it shine. Add mousse to X-Pression Pearl Locs to make it last longer. Subscribe, share with your family and friends, give the video a thumbs up, like, drop your comments. Voila, we are so good to go. This is so beautiful. Please, if you have any difficulties making hair, or you have a problem achieving any style, you could always drop your comments, then I'm here to solve any problem about hair with you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.